Hello friends, today we are going to discuss intellectual property rights. Know your rights. Now, what is the concept of intellectual property rights and what are the things? WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization, which was established by the WIPO Convention in 1967. The WIPO or World Intellectual Property Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations. What is the task of this WIPO? Which is useful for to promote the protection of a intellectual property throughout the world. Its headquarters are available in at Geneva, Switzerland. Now next, intellectual property rights. What are IP? What is concept of intellectual property? Intellectual property rights are the legally recognized exclusive rights to creation of the mind. So what is intellectual property? Intellectual property is nothing but the concept of a invention of a mind. And what is the main task of a IPR is to provide the legal recognition for creation of the mind or intellectual property. Intellectual property it refers to the creation of the mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images which is used in commerce. It is an intangible asset of any human being. Now next. Intellectual property is a property that arises from the human intellect or creation of a mind. It is product of human creation. Intellectual property comprises two distinct forms. It is available and any person or human being can apply the intellectual property rights or they can patent the literary or artistic works and industrial property or design of any industrial application. Now, what is literary and artistic works? They are books or paintings, musical composition, plays, movies, radio or TV programs, performances and other artistic work which is to be available or which is to be come under the category of literary and artistic work. Now how they are protected by the copyright. So whatever the creation of a mind which is to be comes through the mind by any human being or any personnel, so which is to be protected by the copyright. And what things which is to be copyright, that is books, painting, musical composition, plays, movies, radio or TV program, performances, and other artistic related works. Now, what is industrial property? Now, industrial property that describe physical matter which is to be the product of an idea or concept for commercial purposes. Now, how they can protect it? By patented object, by trademarks, by industrial design, by trade secrets, by layout designs, by geographical indication. Now, intellectual property right, which is to be categorized into three types, that is functional and technical invention, that is comes under the Patents Act 1970, which is to be amendment in 1999 and 2005. Next, purely artistic works, which is to be copyrighted under the Act of 1957, which is to be amendment in 1982, 84, 92, 94 and 1999. Now next, a symbol, a logo, word, sound, color and design which is to be what we can say that IPR or which can be trademarked under the Act of 1999, which was amendment in 1994, 96 and 2000. So what we have discussed earlier, we discussed the things related to the intellectual property right. So intellectual property right, it is the creation of any human being which is related to the literary and artistic work and industrial property, which is to be comes under the patent, copyright and trademark. Okay, thank you.